School, sikaw mo ni school landak. 15 August program kadong kalandak. Kabaman secondary school. Mulog yado dam primary school doy. Upak secondary tika koy. Class 10 tak kakakoy. 15 August Independence Day. Kang kolog dak. Sikaw mo ni school. Kang kalajo sikaw mo ni school. 15 August program ko. Dance program anyong kadong mudong. Kalandak.
भारत माता के जय, भारत माता के जय, भारत माता के जय। हम सब एक हैं।
Good morning, everyone. You look 75 years in Kenya. Indian independence. Manikolok Ana. Huluk. Sikabaming secondary school of Alok Chan. Belok quick. Learn it. Teaching staff, belok ke student of belok India no 75 years ebla mani bolu Narendra Modi ke government holo mole India ra holo independent India ko ebla takame mani na dulu ina me kilo kilo kahe ngolu Indian citizen lega Guyu guyu nam long ini ke bona takang upar kita kaku makuyo amolo ye kai ino ko ngolu bulu takang bulu kuy pahe kilo kilo kahe komau kiringe ai pe mewong la ilanka komau kiringe Puriya Sindanga, Nyampo kaya boku pada, oleh omong kilinge, tisar aduna kilinge, abu abis anak takame, air rupe helo kelongahe, asena jebot tajuka, agi kaki dangep, ye nyok majuka, agi kaki dangep, nyok majuka, luga dawala, helo kelongahe lo, aku bap luri dah. Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki. Thank you.
Karena sesat tokoh student baje ko curricular activities lo participate ito. Iname Miss Unu Dasing. Quiz competition, district level quiz competition to participate ito. Iname unfortunately rank secure pang idogong participation certificate oluk Dr. Kidney Singh Maluk ho Deputy Commissioner Duna Erang Building Kolom Certificate of Video iname Unu Dasing no to ala targeting certificate of receive lang. So I have a big clap for Sri Solung Dali. Solung Dali has also participated in the science exhibition under the district project officer ISSE. We can participate in the Obikunam Damut has also participated in the science exhibition conducted by RRAA under the banner of office of the district project officer ISSE Pasighar. Miss Mumne Jamo has also participated in the science exhibition. Miss Mumne Jamo. And Miss Yankee Babin have also participated in the science exhibition. Yankee Babin, Mumne, and Miss Natu Parme. Natu Pandey also has participated in the science exhibition conducted by the RRAA under the banner of Office of the District Project Officer. Miss Natu Parme. Miss Mumne Jamo next. Kayam Jamo.
Mumna Jamo, ले लो.
Kayam Jamo है क्या? Yes. Kayam Jamo. So apart from that, our student has participated in the cluster level sports meet, which is conducted recently at Oya, in which they do volleyball. So, and a big clap for all the girls team of Government Secondary School, Sikaba. तो मेरे पार्टिसिपेंट्स का नाम यहाँ अनाउंस करूंगा. मिस एलिजाबेथ पावे, मिस रूबी कोलिका, मिस लाकी ताते, यालोम तासी, नितिनम जामो, यालेक तासी, नितिनम ताती, ओकेनमांग इतान, and मिस ओसिनम ताता. So let us be on continuous basis. Yes. Hey, look. Cluster level of Pikumla, Hola Atum Kubulu Parsam Patum Volleyball Law. So congratulations, girl. Under the leadership, captaincy of Miss Elizabeth Babin. ये वॉलीबॉल जो जीत के आया है, ये भी एक नशा मुक्त अभियान का एक एग्जाम्पल है. जो हमारा बेटियां लोग कुछ भी नशा नहीं करने का कारण ये वॉलीबॉल जीत के आई है। So once again, have a big clap for the team, volleyball team. Okay. This is certificate for all the participants. 200 meter race. Lo Kumla pura area Kumla Inangoluke 3 within Gao of class 5. 200 meter race will be first part. So I hope एक दिन मीटिंग को हम लोग डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल में, स्टेट लेवल में, नेशनल लेवल में भी दिखाई दे। ओके, बिग कांग्रेचुलेशन टू मास्टर नीरज गांव। लॉन्ग जंप में फर्स्ट मिला। She is not other than Miss Elizabeth Babin of class 8. Long jump. So Elizabeth Babin, because of her individual problems, he wasn't able to attend here. So anyway, congratulations. It has been organized by our administrative officer of Sileoyan area, in which our Miss Elena Bosumotari has won the second prize in drawing and painting competition. So have a big clap for Miss Elena Bosumotari. Just get the pieces. Don't break the line.
गान में नहीं
Don't break the line.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारों, इस देश का यारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल।
Very important day of which I want to read out. Ours is a very big family. Sikababin School is a very big family. There are 18 teachers, including me. And new teachers have been posted here. One chemistry Lego madam, and one our Sunday is sort of Taponi, the renowned public leaders and social workers of our area. Mr. Sunday evening is also posted here. For further understanding, whom I have invited from this village, I want to deliver my lecture in audio. Nolu, pokira lega pe English pe lula deke pe lula idam deko pokira lega ino ko. Nolu invite nam lega ke lukan pe nam atikadu. Ina me lega lukan sinam lega pe silo ke Independence Day solo. Prime Minister eko inkwe kom aga esi pe libe ludak tu. Ina me moluk ke esi mene. Moluk ke si potteru na ranko si kabamisi. Upak admission na may student na tutele 201 ko kanu kriji ko na atel ko. Moluk inkwe master ing ko lang kriji ko kanu mo ilu sila. Deloge 201 dek 201 jon dek APST boise Arunachal Pradesh scheduled tribe ko kidare 65 ko milo ko ekadu. Dek nimek ko 73 ko. Non-APST moluk resi our is a small garden blooming together. Molu kamporuna bagan ko moluk ke sol aing kamang adi kamang. We do not make any differentiation between tribal and non-tribal. Ours is a mini India. हम लोग का ये सूता भारत है. इना में non-APST boys से 32 को करो. Then वो short पे लुमिलो, आइंग को 32 को मिलो को, नीमे को 31. इना में जब तकाते भी जो सुना, seat, 201 students of academy. All these are achievement of this school, which I am comprising. And the most important thing, I request one and all to the colleagues, to the teaching staff, and to the public also. Public in a means parents. And I request all the students and parents and the teachers, by combining the same effort, we have to achieve our target. The most important. So I hope so. In the coming year, we will be learn more and we will be developing more. And my hope is totally upon all the teaching staff, and that will culminate it into a good result. I will conclude my speech up to here. Huh?
भारत माता की ओके थैंक यू हैव ए गुड डे
Independence Day celebration si Kabaman bless. Iyon kay arak ko. Happy Independence Day. Okay. Arak ko. Ah.